Are we filming? Yes, we are. So today I'm testing St George's Cross. It's an ink from Pure Pens, UK company, online pen and ink specialist. I will naturally leave the details in the description, as always. This is a good company to deal with, by the way. Anyway, so what paper I'm going to use? I'm going to try in this Silvine memo book, which I've actually quite pleased with this paper. But before we do that, we're going to have to do an ink test. As always, I'm using a paintbrush. I've shaken this ink so it's nicely mixed. And let's find a fresh page. I've got to be really careful with this. So, okay. What do you think of that ink colour? The studio lights in here are daytime, balanced for daytime temperature. So it is a good, what you see on the screen is a good representation of what it's like in real life, what I can see. I'm going to use a generic fountain pen that costs less than a couple of pounds. These are really nice cheap pens. You can buy a pack of 4, at least at the time of recording, and I'll leave a link in the description. If you're testing ink, then having a few of these, I've got about 40 or 50 of these now. They're nice. They're nice. Okay, so we're looking at Pure Pens. This is designated an extra fine nib, but to be honest, it feels more like a fine nib. And it's St George's Cross. Okay, let's do a little bit of a test. The quick brown fox. Jumps over the lazy dog. Okay, let's try that again. The quick brown fox. Over the lazy dog. Okay, let's put the cap back on and let's zoom in and have a look at that. But before we do, let's do a little bit of blotting paper. Okay. So, what do you think of that colour? Pure Pens, St George's Cross. And this is, as a reminder, this is on Silvine paper, which is made in the UK. And Silvine have been around for many decades here in the UK. Paper's good value. I will leave a link in the description, of course. I use a lot of this paper, actually. But there we go. Can we get any closer? Not really. But that's good enough. If you freeze and zoom in, there we go. So, the final thing to do is have a look on the reverse. Let's make sure I've got just the one page, and we have. Now, look at that. What do you think? we'll zoom out. In the grand scheme of things, if you are, I can only go by my personal opinion, and I shouldn't really talk too much about the technicalities of the paper and the ink, but just as a general thing, if I was using this ink with this notebook, would I find that acceptable? If I'm just writing notes, yes. If I'm writing a journal, well, it's pretty good, isn't it? Pretty good. I think I would certainly be happy with that if I was writing in a form that I wanted to archive to last the test of time. I'm very pleased with that. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Pure Pens St George's Cross on a Silvine memo book that was made here in the UK. Thanks for watching. Until my next video, goodbye.